Hi everybody! In this lesson, we will learn how to create a database in Excel in order to sort it or filter it. Before we start this lesson, we should explain to you what is a database, how we create it in Excel, and for what we use it. A database is a collection of information describing a person, an object, or an activity. Example 1. A database can describe a person. The information listed in the database could be the name, the address, the date of birth, the telephone, etc. Example 2. A database can describe an object. The information listed in the database could be the product name, origin, weight, date of manufacturing, price, etc. Example 3. A database can describe an activity like the registration in a sports club. What are the concepts that we should adopt in order to create a database? 1. The database should look like a table. 2. No need to apply it to any formatting like cell borders or cell colors. 3. The first row should be the header. I mean, it should define the content of each column. 4. Never merge cells. 5. In each column, list one category of data. I mean, in the column named Address, list only the addresses. Look how this database lists the different items with the category, the unit price, and the quantity. After filling it with some items, let us proceed to see how we can sort and filter the database. 1. To sort the database, I select it and click on the icon Sort and Filter, then on Custom Sort. Select the column on which you want to sort the database and precise the order. If it is ascending or descending, see how the database is sorted. 2. To filter the database, I select it and click on the icon Sort and Filter, then on Filter. See how the header is transformed on the drop-down list. You can click on any of the arrows to filter the database. At the end of this lesson, you are asked to create a database containing a description of 10 of your friends with the following details: name, nationality, date of birth, school grade. You can download it by clicking on the More button. Once filled, try to sort and filter the database according to condition and criteria you define. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.